Mortality means the state of being subjected to death, especially on a large scale. Next, morbidity means the proportion of sickness or of a specific disease in a geographical area. The latest outbreak of Ebola has killed 2,431 people in West Africa. This number comes from laboratory-confirmed Ebola, but the number of deaths is suspected to be much higher because of the unconfirmed cases. The total number of people with laboratory-confirmed Ebola cases in West Africa is 4,655, so that puts the case fatality rate of the current outbreak at about 50%. To lessen the numbers, this means that African patients with Ebola have a 1 in 2 chance of surviving the illness. The information stated on the last slide includes both mortality and morbidity rates. If Ebola happens to reach the United States, then researchers believe that the death rate would lower from 50% down to only 30%. The Ebola virus has greatly impacted the West African economy. According to the United Nations Development Group, or other known as UNDG, West Africa as a whole may lose an average of at least $3.6 billion per year between 2014 and 2017. This is due to a decrease in trade, closing of borders, flight cancellations, and reduced foreign direct investment and tourism activity. The Ebola virus does not just harm an individual, but it also harms the country for years to come. The Ebola virus disease, or also known as Ebola hemorrhagic fever, is an infection with the Ebola virus. The Ebola virus belongs to the family called Filavirdae. There are 5 species of the Ebola virus. They are Typhorus, formerly known as Ivory Coast, Sudan, Zaire, Reston, and Bondeboyo. There is only one filovirus that does not cause severe diseases in humans, and that is the Ebola Reston virus. The filovirus virion, which means complete viral particles, appear in several shapes. That is a biological feature called pleomorphism. Some of the shapes that it can appear as includes long, sometimes branched filaments. On the other hand, it can also have shorter filaments that are shaped like a 6, a U, or a circle. Each virion contains just one molecule of a single-stranded negative sense RNA. Even knowing all this information about filovirus, we still do not completely understand filovirus replication strategies.